How to fix PayPal? We couldn't confirm it's you. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So the steps are very simple and easy to do. So what you have to do is to follow me along the video. So now let's get started. First of all, open your Google Chrome or Google application and type in like HTTP. So it's the link that will follow you to the login section. www.paypal and again slash and type in verification. And here is the main part. You have to type in their successful and again slash, and now you have to simply search it, and there you go. So now you have to simply type in your password and go for the login and you are good to go. So I hope this video will help you out. This is how to fix PayPal. We couldn't confirm it's you.